Welcome back to Love Budgeting, guys, and I am Maria, and today we're going to be talking about our third week of expense tracking for the month of April. If you guys want to see how it went, please stay tuned. Welcome back, guys, to Love Budgeting Co. I am Marie. I'm a single mom of a little boy, and I live on an island. I depend on government help, so my expenses and my financial journey looks a little bit different from you guys' at this particular moment.
Take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna.
Okay, guys, this week, like I said, this been a high spending month. Let me zoom you in because I need y'all to see this situation we got going on right here. Okay, so basically I did not bring something to point this out with. Got it. Okay, guys, so basically this week has been a little bit on the high spending, but it has also been a blessed week, guys. Thank you so much to everyone that has taken the time to subscribe. Thank you to everyone that's watching my playlist. Thank you to everyone that has donated, guys, using the KOFI or the Buy Me a Coffee. And thank you to everyone that has used the Buy Me a Coffee to purchase a savings challenge. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are awesome and amazing. Thank you for the donations. Highly appreciated. Thank you so much. So this week has been one full of blessings, guys. Literally full of blessings. I wasn't expecting a lot of things, and God blessed me in an amazing way. As I go to the beach, I'm always every time that I do my exercise and I just walk and everything, I take a minute out to speak with God all the time before I leave. Just take a minute to just soak in the sound of the waves, to let that calm me down a little bit. And also I speak a lot with God at that particular moment. And this week has just been one full of blessings, and I'm so highly grateful to everyone that has purchased something or donated. It's been such an amazing week, so I'm very, very thankful. It helps me continue to keep going. Also, thank you to everyone that has left their positive feedback. That in any shape or way or form that these videos help you to stay on track, stay motivated, or to start a new schedule within your budgeting, or a new journey within your budgeting. I'm so highly grateful. I know that I'm on the right path. I know that I'm doing the right thing, and that this helps a lot of people out there. So I'm very grateful to everyone, whether you have subscribed, whether you hit a like, whether you have shared, whether you have left a positive message, or you have donated or purchased anything. I am so highly grateful, guys. Even for the small things, I'm really, really highly grateful. So thank you so much. This week we had a birthday situation right here. So I spent $368 there in cash for just one balloon, guys. One balloon. What the heck? I don't remember spending $4 on one balloon in the past. Then they used to have a whole pack for $1. And then in groceries, we did $2.50, $3.58, and that was from our government help. And then we did groceries at a local store, which was $22.33 with government help. And then miscellaneous, because this was also birthday related, was $139 in cash. And this was because we did some oh God, I lost the word. We had some plastic cups that we had to get. Then those used to be $1 What's going on here? Everything's been going up. Groceries, we went to Sam's and did $16.98. That was government help. Let's pull you up a little because sometimes I'm talking and you guys can't see. And then we did groceries again. Sam's Club, $43.24. Which Sam's Club is really annoying me because y'all know that if I purchase, I accumulate. I was waiting to accumulate to be able to renew this Sam's, right? So if they give me everything they owe me, I would only have to pay $4 for my subscription, right? So I'm like, good, I'm on track. Let's do this. Tell me why they have not added anything to my balance since 2 months ago. Now, if they're gonna sit there and play like that, we ain't gonna be able to do any subscriptions with them. Like, you better get on your game, Sam's, is what you need to do. Because I'm not finna on wasting my cash when I got stuff accumulated there, you know. So let's wait till you catch up. When you catch up to what you owe me, then I'm gonna put in my $4 and get that subscription again. That's exactly what I'm gonna tell the people. Give me what you owe me, and then we're gonna do then we will renew the subscription, right? And then gas. Y'all know gas has been messing around with my pocket, and it's really getting high. Gas, and we're not even in the summer months, because summer months are the months that the gas really goes up. So we're not even in the high summer months, the high like tourist season. That's when gas goes up, and this car's already taking me down. We got here, look, gas 15, and then we managed to make some income from side hustles. We gotta do what we gotta. Did y'all see that? It's literally been waiting for a long time for these dogs to stop barking, but they're like on the side of a road here, and they are just going at it. So hopefully it's not too much of a bother. So here we have some side hustle income. You know, we gotta do what we gotta do, and if we could get some side, it was supposed to be a little more, but we had a little bit of a situation, so it wound up in 45. But I'm still grateful for the 45, guys, because it's 45 that I did not have. So you know, even if it's a $20 for the side hustle, shoot, we getting it done, right? We getting it done. So that's why I need the Sam's Club situation, because that's what helps me with the side hustle. And then we got gas again. Now, did y'all hear the news about the side hustles that supposedly they're trying to make these side hustles? Well, not these. You know, they consider like Uber a side hustle. They consider the Instacart a side hustle. You know, those are considered side hustles. They're trying to make that supposedly illegal or something like that. I didn't watch the video, but it says side hustles are illegal now. But I just put this as a side hustle because that's a shoot. This ain't with no company. So I still got that down there. And I'm going to continue putting it down there because this is like things you do for neighbors. So we got 45 from that, and then gas 20. So as you can see here, in 1 week, we got $35 put in gas. And gas has continued to go up, guys, and it's really taken me down. Like, gas has taken me down. We're not even at the end of the month, and I already have what? I have 35, 55, $70. I got $70 in gas, and the month is not over yet. And mind you, there are weeks that I don't even go out. Like, I don't go out. Like, I might go out once or twice. But that's why I can't go out and do a lot of walking, because this gas takes me down, because I use my car, or I use the car that I use, because it's not mine. The car that I use, I take it to the park, because the park is a little far out. I don't go all the way to the beach where I normally walk, but I go out to a closer by park, but it still consumes gas. So yeah. And then we got total cash spent was $40.07, but then with the side hustle money, and this was from the leftover of last week, if you saw that one, so we got a leftover of $51.25 to work with. And then we got total government help of $336 with 13 sheesh spent, giving us a leftover of $33.87. So that's how that third week went. It wasn't like, it is a high spending week, but within cash it would be a second highest spending, because week number 2, as you can see here, was our highest week of cash spending. This was our highest week of cash spending. And we have there 40.07, which is our second one, and our first week wasn't really high. So hopefully this upcoming week is not going to be that high, and we're going to be able to, like, I already know I have to fill up on gas again. That's a whole nother story. And we're trying to do our, you guys know, in the business, we're trying to fill up to be able to do this online physical shop. And I just got some products there that I've been working on, so hopefully we'll be able to get that done. Thank you guys so much for watching. What has your highest spending category this week been? Leave it in the comment section. What has your highest spending category? Mine is always gas, because groceries I do once a month, so I don't really use that as a high one. I use gas because gas is just present in all the weeks. It's just there, just giving its best. So that's what mine has been gas. What has yours been? Thank you so much, guys, for being a part of the community. Thank you for your positive feedback. Thank you for running my playlist. Thank you so much for the donations. Thank you for purchasing something in my shop. It means so much. Thank you so much, guys. I'll catch you guys in our next video.